when seeing the letter or the sounds at the end of the verbs t and d, the ed sounds it. So you're gonna see the two lists of words ending in ed that sound it. Wanted, visited, started, shouted, accepted, needed, decided, ended, avoided, added. So when you take a look at the two lists of the verb, you will see that the ending sound of the base verb is t and d. Like want, wanted, need, needed. So remember, when you add ed to that kind of verbs, you need to add the syllables. If the base verb consists of one syllable, when you add ed, it becomes two. It means it has two syllables. If the base word consists of two syllables, like decide, it becomes three. Decided, decided, three syllables. Visit, you might say it's visit, two. When you add ed, visited, three syllables.